textbook, page 153. We're going to be doing the guided practice together. Okay, question number 1 says that at a class picnic, pupils brought different kinds of food. Each pupil brought one food item. The table shows the number of food items the pupils brought. And the first thing that we need to do is to complete the table. Now let's take a look at the table. The first row tells us the food items. So there's burgers, chicken nuggets, fried noodles, salad, and others. Then we look below, it showed us the tally marks. Then the last row is the number of pupils. So we have to fill in this last row. So let's take a look at burgers. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 tally marks. So they've written for us 4. Then for chicken nuggets, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 with a slash across. And this means 5. So we write 5. Okay, then for fried noodles, we have 5 plus 2. And that gives us 7. Salad, 1, 2, 3 marks. So 3. And others, we have 5 plus 1. That gives us 6. Okay, now let's look at question A. How many pupils brought chicken nuggets? So we look at our table. Under chicken nuggets, answer is 5. 5 pupils brought chicken nuggets. And then we look at question B. Which food item did most pupils bring? So when they're asking for most, we need to find the greatest number. Greatest. Okay, greatest. So let's look. We have 4, 5, 7, 3, and 6. Greatest is 7, right? So 7 is corresponding with fried noodles. So our answer is fried noodles for the greatest number. That means the most number of people brought fried noodles. Okay, then we look at question C. They're asking for how many more pupils brought fried noodles than burgers. When they're asking for how many more, they're actually asking for the difference. difference. And when we're looking for difference, we always use subtraction, right? So we're actually going to take the bigger number, subtract away the smaller number. So for fried noodles, how many pupils? 7, right? 7. And for burgers, we have 4. So what we're going to be doing is actually taking away 7 minus 4. Okay, so I'm going to do 7 minus 4. And that will give us 3. So the difference is 3. That means there were 3 more pupils who brought fried noodles than burgers. Okay? And last, question D. How many pupils were there at the picnic? That means we're actually looking for the total. Looking for total. And when we want to find total, we always add, right? So let's add them up. We have 4 and 5. That is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. And then over here, 3 and 6 is also 9. So 9 plus 9, that will give us 18. And we have one more here, 7. So 18 plus 7, what would that give us? 18 plus 7 is 25. So answer is 25. There were 25 pupils at this class picnic altogether. Okay, now let's move on to question 2. Question 2 says that this table shows the number of fruits that Lily bought. Okay, so we look at the table. We have the type of fruit, we have apple, orange, durian, pineapple, mango. And then correspondingly on the right, we have the number of fruits. So for apple is 10, then you look across, mango is 9. Just look across like this, okay? Okay, let's look at question A. They're asking us, how many oranges did Lily buy? So we look at the table, find orange, and the number on the right is 20. So that means Lily bought 20 oranges. And then question B. Which type of fruit did Lily buy the least? So when you're looking for least, we're actually talking about the smallest. So we look at our table, which is the smallest number. We have 10, 20, 3, 4, and 9. Smallest is 3. And this type of fruit is what? Look on the left. It's durian. So answer is durian. Durian is the type of fruit that she bought the least. And finally, question C. How many more mangoes than pineapples did Lily buy? So remember, when we're looking for how many more or how many less, we're looking for difference, right? diffference. And we're going to use subtraction. So for mangoes, how many mangoes did she buy? 9. Then pineapples, how many did she buy? 4. So we're going to take 9 minus 4, and that will give us 5. So the difference is 5. That means she bought 5 more mangoes than pineapples.